Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the network mode on this device. Go to settings, tap on the option connections. Then here you can see the option mobile networks. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option network mode. Okay, you can see, tap on this one. So here you can see some network modes: 5G, LTE, 3G preferred. So according to your choice, you can select any one from here. Okay. Now the 5G is selected. If you want to enable 3G, then you can select this one. If you want to enable 4G or LTE, then you can select this one. So simply in this way, we can change the network mode. You can choose the preferred mobile network type such as 4G or 5G depending on your carrier and coverage. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.